Welcome everyone. We are at a very spooky place. Wait till you see this. Okay. First of all, we got some kind of a garage that's probably locked. But be able to peer inside. What's in there? Oh yeah, see some old stuff in there. It's very badly decomposed, and I am all stuck. Aluminum ladder. Excuse me. This is what's left of their garage. It's very cold out today. I have no idea when this place was built, but it looks to be a way in. Certainly not here or here. That mysterious locked door will forever hold its secrets until somebody finally takes the lock off. See? Been there a while. Somebody put that lock there a long time ago. The old time doorknob. It's a way in right there. And then you got this really old apartment building here. It's wood frame in the back. It's got like an upper, kind of like an enclosed porch. It was built about 1925, I'd say, or early 20s. Well, the roof collapsed, so there can't be much inside. But let's go inside. Wow, it's an old-time Toyota. It's been sitting there for so long, who knows how long, but this is the inside of it. There's the steering wheel. And then look what's on the dash. This thing has been sitting here for so long. It's got like this old rusty can of something called touch-up paint from the 60s or 70s. Stick shift. This is the back seat. It's in really nice shape too. This was like on the front seat, on the back seat there, called boric acid ointment. And it's very old. Boric acid ointment. I don't know what that is. There's more of that touch-up paint. And this is old too. iPads. So, let's get out of here. But there is that one can of touch-up paint back there. Right here. Look at this. That's old too. It's from the 60s. This one isn't even open yet, so. Look at that door. It's like brand new, but it's in a roofless garage. Touch-up paint. Perfect example. Toyota Motor Company. But put that back. And let's get out of here. Here's an old hubcap. I don't know if it's to this Jeep. And look at that. Souvenirs, toys, gifts. That's old. And I can't really get around to the other side. There's too many sticker bushes, so that's what was in there. Oh shit. It's in really nice shape. Really nice shape. Deserves to be restored. I'd pop the hood and everything for you, but hey, I'm lucky I got this far. That's the way out. Alright, so that was what was in here, man. So we'll call this one the Toyota house. Signing out.